Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Lucas here, and today I'll be reading Back to School Rules by Laurie Friedman. I'm Percy Isaiah Grifford. Today's an important day. It's time to go back to school, but there's no need for dismay. You shouldn't frown or fret. I'll tell you what you need to know. When it comes to higher learning, stick with me. I'm a pro. I get the most out of my school year. I promise you can too. The rules of success are simple. Just know what not to do. The first rule you should follow: do not show up late. You'll be marked tardy. Teachers do not like to wait. Do not make excuses. Don't blame everyone you know. Don't say you were on time. It was your family that was slow. Another rule I live by: don't be impolite. An apple a day won't work if you don't know wrong from right. Rule 2: an apple a day does not keep the teacher away. That means no naps in class, no running through the halls, no climbing up flagpoles, no writing on the walls, no hiding school supplies or gobbling all the snacks, nothing in your teacher's seat, no gum or pens or tacks. An important rule to follow: don't forget to use your brain. That means leave your plans at home that qualify as insane. This rule is worth heeding. It's something I promote. Don't contradict your teacher. You will not win her vote. If she says time to stand, don't decide to sit. If she says time to work, don't decide to quit. If she says get in line, do not run about. And don't forget to raise your hand unless you like time out. The next rule is a big one. It covers things to never do. This list is rather lengthy, so sit tight until I'm through. Percy Isaiah Grifford's list of things you should never do in school. Don't growl or hiss or snort. Don't thump or bang or spit. Don't whistle, burp, or bite. Don't whine or kick or hit. Don't mix and don't copy. Don't ever swear. Don't talk in annoying voices. Don't sing too loud or stare. Don't act like an animal. Don't baa or moo or roar. Don't crackle, crow, or bark. Don't slither on the floor. These things are all off limits. Pay attention to this list. I, Percy Isaiah Grifford, promise there is nothing that I have missed. Signed, Percy. Another rule is to abide by, and from this I never sway. Do not take forever if you got something to say. If you went to the market, don't share every small detail. Remember, when telling a story, just quickly tell your tale. Though some might disagree, I think it's okay to cry, but you shouldn't do it often, and you need a reason why. If you didn't step in pain, there's no gum in your hair, you didn't swallow a pencil or glue yourself to a chair, then no need for tears and tissues. Do not pitch a fit. Don't act like the world is ending. Teachers don't like this one bit. This rule I call the golden one. There's more you shouldn't do. I'm talking about the stuff to others that you don't want done to you. No teasing, taunting, fighting. No punches, pokes, or kicks. You should not laugh at others. Never ever play mean tricks. Bring. The advice I'm about to give you isn't hard to comprehend. It's about how you should act when the bell rings at the day's end. Don't pull out your pom-poms or shout out, "School is a bore." Don't lead a choir of hallelujah. Don't race out the door. There's no need for jump for joy or trample others as you go. you're coming back tomorrow. That's an important thing to know. I think that covers everything. Now you know what not to do. Just follow my simple rules, and a A+ waits for you. But wait, there's one more thing, another rule that you should. It's a critical importance. Before it's off to school you go. I can't believe I failed to tell you, and think we're almost done. My last and most important rule, Rule 10. Don't forget to have lots of fun. Lee, and I hope you enjoyed this book. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.